Last time, ladies and gentlemen, that's $12 million. So, thank you very much. $12 million.
Line 236, the 1967 Porsche 911S Coupe. A true time capsule that is nearly all original. Lot 236 is finished in Blutorange.
$1,000 iron bit. In advance at 100. 125 on the internet, thank you. 200 now. I've got $175,000 now, so I have 200,000 anyway. Selling all the way, ladies and gentlemen. Make absolutely no mistake. We're at $175,000. Do I have any advance? And $175,000. Sir, are you bidding? Nope. At $175,000. Everyone's waving at each other all of a sudden. At $175,000 then. Do I have any advance? Well, I shall sell at $175,000 only. I've got you, RJ, yep, at $175,000. It's going for the first time, ladies and gentlemen. Make absolutely no mistake. It's going $180,000 with Barney. 190, sir. 190, thank you, with RJ. 185, 185, 190 if you like. 190 if you like. Well, I'm selling at $185,000. It's going for the first time. And $185,000 only is going for the second time. For the third and the very last time, at only 190. 190 I have here. 195, thank you. 195, 200 if you like. 200 if you like. Well, 195,000 on my right, it's going all the way. At 195,000, then it's going for the first time. At 195,000, ladies and gentlemen, it's going for the second time. Third and very last chance at 195, 200,000, thank you. 200,000, 205 if you like. 205, thank you. 205,000, 210,000 now. 210,000. Well, at $205,000, now I'm selling here on my right. At $205,000, it's going for the first time. At $205,000, it's going for the second time. Third and very last time, 10. 210. I've got 210 from the lovely RJ. Do I have 215 from you? I've got $210,000 then from the lovely Rebecca. 215 if you like. Well, at 210,000, going for the first time, going for the second, third, and last time. 210 with RJ. All done, all finished. 215, 220. Nope. Well, at 215 then it's going here on my right for the first time. It's going for the second, third, and last. 220. Thank you, Sam. 220, 225. 225. 225. Thank you. 225,000. 230,000. 230,000. 235,000. Well, at 230 on my right, it's going for the first time. At 230, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last chance. At $230,000. Sold your car. Well done, Sam. 130,000. 395.